Welcome to another awesome video from Travelartblog. Today we answer the question, how not to become another sad Valentine's Day statistic. Ever had a disastrous Valentine's Day? Oh, you are not alone. About 20% of people have experienced a breakup around Valentine's Day. Join us as we discuss ways for you to make this Valentine's Day special so that does not happen to you this year. If you are on a budget, then look no further, we got the best ideas and locations for you. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and share it with that totally unromantic who needs to watch it. Breakfast in bed. Breakfast in bed is one of the most romantic things you can do for your partner. It's a simple way to show them how much you care, and it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. In fact, this is one of the cheapest low-budget ways to wow your significant other. The key thing about making breakfast in bed is that it has to be done with love. Know what to make your partner for breakfast. A helpful source of information, if you are unsure, is their family, who probably knows them best. Go visit a nearby lake. The best views are from the middle of a lake. So if you're looking for something romantic and budget-friendly to do with your significant other, this is a great option. Bring along food or beverages that are special to you both, perhaps even something sentimental, like candy from your childhood. That will make the experience so much more personal and special. And if possible, take in a sunset over the lake for even more romanticism. Have a spa day. Getting a massage is one of the most relaxing things you can do. A massage can help relieve stress and tension in their muscles, and can be both romantic and affordable. You can usually find massages for around $20 to $30 an hour or less. If you're feeling extra generous, consider upgrading to hot stone therapy or foot reflexology. These treatments will cost more but will feel amazing on sore feet, if your partner struggles with that, for example. Visit a museum or an art gallery. If you want to go out, but you're not fond of the idea of spending Valentine's Day in a restaurant, why not try a museum or an art gallery? Just take it slow and admire, or mock if that's your thing, and have fun in a different environment. To make it even more special, get a painting made of your favorite picture as a couple. Get the museum or gallery to put it up somewhere for your partner to find and take home as a memento. Romantic movies. Nothing says romance like a movie, especially if it's a romantic comedy or drama. You can take your date to an outdoor screening of one of these films and enjoy some popcorn under the stars. Or, if you have access to any sort of theater or even just a projector, you could host your own private screening at home. Popcorn and chocolate are the perfect snacks for such an occasion. They're cheap but still delicious. Embark on a picnic. Picnics are a lovely way to spend time together, and they can be romantic. They don't have to be expensive either. You can pack your lunch and go on a picnic in the park, or take advantage of Valentine's picnic events and promotions. To make it extra special at night, take a string of fairy lights and surround your area with some sparkling lights. This creates a space that is just for you two and breaks the connection with others nearby. Try bowling or playing pool. Bowling and pool are fun games to play with a partner. Bowling is a memorable way to spend time together, and playing pool is a terrific way to laugh. If you're looking for something romantic and inexpensive, these are both great options. You can also make it more fun by making it competitive, or by making up silly rules to go with the games. The key here is keeping things lighthearted, so that everyone has fun without feeling pressured about doing anything too serious or intense during such an occasion as Valentine's Day. Just remember that having fun together should always come first. Take a hike somewhere romantic, like the ocean, mountains, or waterfalls. Pack a picnic lunch and a bottle of wine. Wear sturdy shoes, long pants, and a hat. If you're going to be hiking in the rain or snow, it's advisable to dress waterproof. Get there early so that you can enjoy your hike without feeling rushed or stressed out about being late for something else. Stay safe by staying on trails and always knowing how to do first aid if necessary. Stay healthy while hiking, bring lots of water, and keep hydrated during breaks. To make it extra romantic, be thoughtful, caring, and hold your partner as you absorb the beauty of nature around you. When you're planning a romantic celebration, it's helpful to know what the other person would like. If they have any allergies or dietary restrictions, make sure you can accommodate them beforehand. So there you have it. I hope this inspires you on what to do for Valentine's Day and other romantic occasions. Remember, the most meaningful thing is spending time together. If you liked this video, watch another one of our next videos and subscribe so you don't ever miss out on our videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!